improving the seed balls via using the alginate microbeads and drones for desert greening, and reduce deforestation of earth. Magdy Mohamed Niazy Ph.D. In environmental sciences, the technique for creating seed balls was rediscovered by Japanese natural farming pioneer Masanobu Fukuoka. The technique was also used, as an example, in ancient Egypt to repair farms after the annual spring flooding of the Nile. In times, during the amount of the Second War, this Japanese government botanist working during a government lab, Fukuoka, who lived on the mountainous island of Shikoku, wanted to seek out a way that might increase food production without removing from the land already allocated for traditional rice production, which thrived within the volcanic-rich soils of Japan. We have modified the Masanbo idea to increase the tolerance of seeds to drought and salinization. This amendment is the addition of capsules containing the microbe Azospirillum brasilense, or Immobilization of Azospirillum brasilense and alginate microbeads, that were placed with the seeds inside the seed balls. On the other hand, the planet loses 15 billion trees per annum and far of it's cleared for farmland to feed the world's booming population, but it's feared this might be exacerbating global climate change. Although we plant about 9 billion trees per annum, that leaves a net loss of 6 billion trees. Drones can plant in areas previously impossible to succeed in, like steep hills. Alginate is the most common polymer material for the encapsulation of microorganisms for various industrial microbiological purposes, although other algal polysaccharides have been used. The raw material, the kelp macroalga, Macrocystis pyrifera, is a renewable marine resource of great abundance in the Pacific Ocean. It is harvested regularly and processed, mainly for the food industry. The most common experimental formulation for bacterial inoculants is microbeads with a diameter of 1/4 mm either for agricultural or environmental use. 19. The technical feasibility of direct alginate microbe production. 1. That these microbeads can be dried, thus conserving the majority of the bacterial population. 2. That these microbeads can be attached to seed prior to sowing. And 3. That these preparations can release the bacteria and enhance plant growth. A method of inoculating wet and dry seeds with plant growth promoting bacteria, PGPB, using alginate microbeads as a substrate and Azospirillum brasilense. As the model PGPB was developed, the microbeads were produced by low-pressure spraying of an alginate solution, mixed with liquid bacterial culture suspended in a very rich medium, through a small nozzle resulting in small diameter droplets. These droplets, when sprayed into a slowly stirred solution of cackle 2, immediately hardened into microbeads at diameters ranging between 100 and 200 m. 20. We have modified the Masanbo idea to increase the tolerance of seeds to drought and salinization. This amendment is the addition of capsules containing the